Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today now I'm going to share with you one of my another favorite recipe, that is Chinese restaurant style homemade hot crispy fried chicken, that is Thai style. So if you are new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and also like my this video. So without any further delay, let's straight into the video. Now I'm going to start to marinate the Chinese restaurant style homemade fried chicken. So here I already take one chicken. I just clean it and soaked from the water. There is no extra water in my chicken. So 750 gram of one chicken I take here. And now I'm going to add the garlic and ginger paste. Here in total 1 tablespoon of garlic and ginger paste. I will add 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and half teaspoon of salt, because in the dark soy sauce I already add here 2 tablespoons because there is a lots of salt over there. So now I'm just add here just only half teaspoon of salt. So now I'm going to mix all the ingredients together and keep it refrigerated for 2 hours. After 2 hours, I will take it out from the fridge and will start to frying this chicken. So this is the process of the marination of the restaurant style fried chicken. It's completely, the taste will be exactly that completely as Chinese restaurant style. So now I'm going to keep it refrigerated for 2 hours. After 2 hours, I will show it. After 2 hours of marination in the freeze, I take out the chicken and now I'm going to start to fry this chicken. So as a coating here, I taking that is 3 tablespoon of gram flour, that is besan, and 3 tablespoon of corn flour. Both of them are in same quantity in one chicken. So now I'm going to add this both ingredient together. Then I'm going to mix it properly. So it will give the extra crispy texture of the chicken, which is completely like exactly as restaurant. Then I'm going to start to frying this chicken. I already make the pan hot and I add here 300 ml of sunflower oil for the fry, and after mixing the chicken, this is the consistency of the chicken with the corn flour and gram flour. I didn't add here any extra water or salt. So now I'm going to start to fry this chicken in medium heat of temperature. I have to fry this chicken at least 15 minutes in both sides. I will cook this chicken in one side for 7 minutes. After 7 minutes, I will turn it to the opposite side in medium to low heat of temperature. Temperature is very important during frying any kinds of stuff, because if we raise the temperature, the food will be burned from outside, but inside it will not be cooked properly. So as the same way, I'm frying the chicken in medium to low heat of temperature in hot oil. So now I'm adding all the chickens all together. After frying off this chicken, I will turn it to the opposite side, then I will show it. After 5 minutes, this is the look of the chicken. I already turned the chicken from one side to another side, and I have to wait for another 10 minutes in low heat of temperature. After 10 minutes, my chicken will be prepared, then I will show it again. After cooking of 15 minutes, I take out the chicken from the hot oil and I serve the chicken with chili with garlic sauce and garnished with the coriander slice. And this is the final look of the chicken. So this is very crispy and it's very delicious smell is coming out. So please try to make this chicken recipe at home. This is exactly like a Chinese restaurant style hot spicy fried chicken. So please let me know your opinion through the comments, and if you're new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching.